No answer. I am asking how many bonds are there between carbon and oxygen. This is my question.
2 bonds, sir.
Then remaining one. So there are 2 bonds are there. So you get -2. Here we will get +2. Now between carbon, carbon, you don't get any bonds here. You don't have, that means, any charge here because both are same elements. So there is no charge here. Now this carbon overall charge is how much, beta? What is the overall charge on this carbon? Tell me now.
3.
Yes,
+3.
+3. Right? One answer completed. Next, this carbon we have to select. Carbon, carbon, both are carbons. Here in this side, no charge here because both are carbon. Now, among carbon and hydrogen, which is negative charge and which one is a positive charge, beta?
Carbon negative charge.
Yes, beta, speak loud. Which will get negative character? Carbon or hydrogen? Carbon negative character. Hydrogen positive character. Now, I am writing over here +1. Hydrogen +1. Hydrogen +1. Now on carbon, how many negative charges we get, beta? On this carbon, how much negative charge we get on this carbon? Tell me. Yes.
-3.
-3. Because the total charges here, +1, +1, +1. 3 positive charges. So we get 3 negative. So what I can say, this carbon oxidation state is -3. For this carbon oxidation state is +3. Overall it is 0. Overall they are not asking, beta. Average they are not asking. Or they are asking for this carbon how much? -3. For this carbon how much? It is +3. Understood, beta? Any doubts? If you have, you can speak now. Any doubts if you have, you can speak now, beta. Based on that, D, how do you write the D, betas? Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Next, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, OH. Again, they are asking for carbon here. Now, again here I can write +1, +1, +1. Here I can't write anything because both are carbons here. Leave it this one. So you'll get here again -3. So this carbon is having what charge here? -3. Next again +1, +1. Now if you observe this oxygen will get minus, carbon will get here plus, right? Now based on this, again I will write later this positive charge. Now, how many bonds are there here between carbon and oxygen, beta? Only one bond is there. Put here -1. If it is -1, this will be +1. If it is +1, this will be what here? -1. If it is +1, this will be -1. Now, here overall charge will be what? -1, +1, -1. How much, beta? This charge will be how much, beta? Anybody? This will be cancelled here. The charge of this carbon will be, beta?
-1.
So in this case, one carbon is -1, other carbon is what? -3. Overall it is what? -4 it is. Total charge is -4. If you divide with 2, what happens? We'll get -2. So this is about the D and C. Now when we get structure, when we discuss organic chemistry, definitely you can easily identify the structures of the organic compounds. Right, beta? Fe3O4. I have done Fe3O4, all of you. Sabhi ne kiya na Fe3O4. Any doubts regarding Fe3O4? Which oxide, beta? This one. Mixed oxide. This is a mixed oxide. Correct or not? We have discussed earlier this one. Structure will be iron oxide plus. Then what happened? Iron trioxide, Fe2O3. In this case, iron oxide state will be what? +2. In this case, it will be +3. But they are asking to calculate what? Average here. Average they are asking. What is average value, beta? What is the answer for this one? C. Fe3O4. What is the answer? Average value कितना है बेटा?
2.5.
2.5. No. 3 irons are there. Plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 iron is equal to plus 8. Now iron is equal to what? Plus 8 by 3 is the answer. Plus 8 by 3 is the answer. We have done this problem earlier. So in this chapter 8.1, 8.2, including we discuss whatever everything. So what I'm saying here, oxidation numbers are very, very important. First thing is that you have to practice oxidation numbers. For example, NaBH4, let me take NaBH4. NaBH4. NaBH4, they are calculating boron beta. Now for sodium, it will be +1 compulsory because it's a first A group element. Boron we are calculating. Now 4 hydrogen. Now hydrogen charge kitna beta yahan par? What is the charge of hydrogen beta? +1 or -1 beta? Tell me.
-1.
-1 because remember when hydrogen bonded to first group element, second group element, third group element. Then that means first A, second A, third A. Whenever hydrogen bonded to first A, second A, third A, hydrogen will get -1. Remaining cases it will get +1. Now boron will get what charge beta? +3. Very, very important. All of you do this 8.1, 8.2 2 times. In your notebook, write down 2 times here. Now sometimes they may ask what happened. Justify that the following reactions are redox reactions. If they ask like that. Sometimes if they ask what happened, justify the following reactions are redox reactions. How do you give the answer for this one? In that case, we'll see the reactions later. We'll see the reactions. I will take a PPT beta, in that I will explain. We'll take a PPT now. This is very simple beta. Once if you know this calculation of these oxidation numbers, it will be very simple for you. You can ask freely beta, don't shade. You can ask freely, whichever doubts you are having, you can ask me, no problem. Don't say, sir, everything is understand, no doubts. Don't say like that. If you have doubt, you can speak, no problem. But in examination, what happened? Compulsory, I will take exam. Once you come to the school, definitely will take the exam. But when everything, I will say evening. Let me take one question beta. What is that question you take here? Will we take water? Which one will take beta? In 8.3, which one is looking what very hard for you? I will take that one. In 8.3, A, B, C, D, E. Which one will take beta? Which one you want?
C, sir.
C.
Sir, C.
D. दोनों लेंगे. C और D दोनों लेंगे बेटा. BCl3, lithium aluminum hydride. देखो बेटा, justify that the following reactions are redox reactions. Now, if you observe in this case, BCl3, okay, I am writing here only. So in order to write everything, shall I write like this? BCl3 I am taking. In this BCl3, देखो बेटा यहाँ पर. In this BCl3, what we are taking here? Boron. Boron oxidation number. In BCl3, generally oxidation number of boron कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? Anybody knows that one? What is the oxidation state of boron beta in BCl3? Very simple.
3 +3.
+3 beta. Very good. If you don't know, you write like that. BCl3. I am writing here. BCl3. Boron we are calculating. So 3 into क्लोरीन का लेना है आपको -1 लेना है. Any halogen you take -1 beta. Any halogen take as -1 is equal to 0. Boron is equal to what here? +3 beta. So put here +3 beta. इसका बोरान का राइट. एल्यूमिनियम लिथियम का चेंज नहीं होता. यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन का चार्ज कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? एनीबॉडी नोस दिस वन? हाइड्रोजन का चार्ज कितना होता है?
-1
-1 हो जाएगा राइट. यहाँ पर तो -1 हो जाएगा. और क्लोरीन का सभी का सेम रह जाएगा. लिथियम का +1 हो जाएगा, एल्यूमिनियम का +3 हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर लिथियम कौन सा ग्रुप है बेटा? फर्स्ट ए ग्रुप, +1 हो जाएगा. और इसका भी एल्यूमिनियम का +3 ही हो जाएगा. ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट विल सी व्हाट, यहां पर B2S6 देखेंगे. B2S6 का B2S6 में ऐसा लिखता हूं. B2S6 कितना बोरान से बेटा? 2 बोरान से और 6 हाइड्रोजन से. लेट मी टेक व्हाट बोरान whenever linked with hydrogen, definitely hydrogen will get -1. Just you'll think like that, -1. Now boron is again getting is a +3 here. Any change is occurring beta in C? Any change is occurring in C beta? In boron, +3 is converting into +3 only, correct or not? Are you observing
Yes,
any change observing?
No, sir, no change.
Then is it called oxidation, conversion of +3 into +3?
No, sir.
Is it called reduction?
No, sir.
No. That means you can write in C, this reaction which is present in the C is not at all redox reaction. It is not at all redox reaction. In this reaction, there is no oxidation, there is no reduction is taking place. So justify that the following reactions are redox reaction means here there is no redox reaction is taking place. There is no redox reaction is taking place. No redox reaction. Next, coming to what D also let me take D. Now in this case potassium, ऑक्सीजन स्टेट कितना है बेटा पोटेशियम का? यहां पर कितना है बेटा? इसका 0 है बेटा. यहां पर 0 है, यहां पर +1 है. तो ये रिएक्शन कौन सा रिएक्शन हो जाएगा आपको? ऑक्सीडेशन हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, यहां पर फ्लोरीन का कितना होगा बेटा? फ्लोरीन का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट F-. F2 is converting into F-. कितना है बेटा F2 का? 0 होंगे. वेरी गुड. यहां पर कितना हो जाएगा? -1 हो जाएगा. ओके. मगर इफ 2 लेते तो 2 into -1 हो जाएगा. यहां पर भी आप 2 ले सकते हैं, यहां पर भी 2 ले सकते हैं. 2 into +1. कौन सा रिएक्शन बेटा यहां पर? रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. In which both oxidation takes place, reduction takes place. Now this can be called redox reaction. Yes, it is justified. This reaction is called redox reaction. It is justified better. C is not redox reaction, but D is redox reaction. In this way, we can easily explain it. Understood? Even ammonia also, N-3. Here nitrogen will get here what beta? +2 beta. You do this problem. Right. Now next we take what some stock notations इसमें दिया. By the formula of the following compounds. Formula पूछ रहा है इस. Formula 8.6. Mercury means what? Hg beta. Chloride means Cl. Oxidation number 2. 2 means you take 2 chlorines beta. हो गया आंसर. Tin 4 oxide beta. Tin means what? Tin means Sn beta. Tin means you can take what here? Sn. Sn लेना है आपको. Oxide means ऑक्सीजन लेना है. 1 ऑक्सीजन इज इक्वल टू कितना चार्ज बेटा? -2 है ना 2 ऑक्सीजन इज इक्वल टू कितना है बेटा? 2 ऑक्सीजन इज इक्वल टू कितना?
-2.
-2 oxygen is equal to -4 beta. 1 oxygen is equal to -2. 2 oxygen is equal to -4. Then it will get what? +4. So this is the oxygen state. SnO2 is the answer here. In this way we can easily write. Nickel sulfate, NiSO4. SO4 is -2. Nickel will be +2. Thallium sulfate, TlSO4. But thallium is +1 beta. SO4 इज -2, क्या करना है आपको, कैसे बैलेंस करते हैं इसको, TlSO4 को, इट इज +1, इट इज -2, क्या करना है आपको, Tl2 लेने हैं आपको, 2 लिए तो आपको आंसर आएगा, ऐसा लेना है, तो यहाँ पर -2 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर +2 आ जाएगा, ऐसा आपको करना है। क्रोमियम ऑक्साइड Cr2O3 बेटा, Cr2O3 आपको 3 लेना है, क्या क्यों लेना है, 3 मीन्स व्हाट हैपन, यू ऑब्जर्व हियर बेटा, 2 chromiums plus 3 into -2 is equal to 0. Now 2 chromium is equal to +6, 1 chromium is equal to what here, +3, ऐसा आपको लिखना है, ठीक है ना। बाद में remaining reactions you can leave it this one better, remaining you can leave it that one. और नेक्स्ट बैलेंसिंग में आ जाओ बेटा, बैलेंसिंग में अगर कुछ डाउट्स है तो पूछ सकते हैं इसमें, 8.18, 8.19, if you have any doubts you can ask me now, 8.18 or 8.19. Everything is completed. These are all acidic mediums beta, and this one is the basic medium, and these are all basic mediums. There are what, 4 basic mediums are given, 3 acidic mediums are given. Any doubts you are having, you can speak now here. 8.18, 8.19. Everyone got? Everyone knows how to yes. Now after this what happened, balancing of chemical reactions. This application part is not there, only you have syllabus up to this balancing only. After that what happened, whatever topics are not there in the syllabus, we can leave it. So this balancing is the last topic for us. So remaining topics are not there, you can leave it this one. Whatever the topics are there, they are not in the syllabus here. Okay, application part is not there, you can leave it this one. Right? Now I will take one balancing of chemical reaction now. One balancing of chemical reaction. We'll take that one, N2H4 ClO3. We'll take now N2H4 ClO3. Minus, converting into NO plus Cl minus. Which medium it is? Basic medium. Basic medium. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करना है आपको, N2H4 converting into NO, ClO3 minus converting into Cl minus. First of all, you have to balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. Now tell me beta, what are the elements we are having other than oxygen and hydrogen here? Which elements are there other than the oxygen in this side? Nitrogen.
Chlorine.
Nitrogen and chlorine. So nitrogen here 2 are there, here 1 is there. Put here 2. Yeah, no need to balance the chlorine here. No need to balance the chlorine. I am going which method beta? Ion electron method first. Ion electron method. Now here, first of all, next step. Step number 1 is completed. Step number 2, what happened? Balancing of oxygen atoms by using what? OH minus, because basic medium no. By OH minus. In acidic medium, you take water, but here it is a basic medium, you take OH minus. Now again writing what? N2H4 here gives rise to 2 moles of NO. Now here 2 ऑक्सीजन are there बेटा, यहाँ पर कोई ऑक्सीजन नहीं है यहाँ पर, तो आपको यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन लिखना है. So N2H4 plus, so how many OH minus I have to take here बेटा? कितना OH minus लेना है आप मेरे को यहाँ पर? To balance oxygen यहाँ पर कितना OH minus लेना है मेरे को? 2 लेना है. नेक्स्ट, हाँ, यहाँ पर कितना हाइड्रोजन? थर्ड स्टेप यहाँ पर भी बैलेंस करेंगे. सेकेंड, यहाँ पर ClO3 माइनस, यहाँ पर Cl माइनस. नेक्स्ट, कितना OH माइनस लेना है बेटा यहाँ पर? 3 OH माइनस. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड स्टेप इज बैलेंसिंग ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बेटा. बैलेंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. कैसे लेते बेटा हाइड्रोजन एटम्स? एसिडिक ले लेंगे. एसिडिक कहते हैं स्पेस ले लेंगे, मगर यहाँ पर बेसिक है ना, तो क्या लेना है? H2O लेना है आपको. अगर हम लिखता हूँ रिएक्शन, N2H4 प्लस 2 moles of OH माइनस, नेक्स्ट 2 moles of N. तो हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर कितना है बेटा? 4 है यहाँ पर टोटल कितना हाइड्रोजन है बेटा? 6 हाइड्रोजन है बेटा. तो कितना 6 हाइड्रोजन से इक्वल कितना वाटर लेना है मेरे को? 6 हाइड्रोजन से इक्वल टू 6 वाटर मोल. 6 वाटर मोल. टेक केयर व्हाट हैपेंड? 6 water molecules. One thing I told you, if I add 6 moles of water in opposite side, add 6 moles of OH minus to balance remaining. ये important है बेटा. When you are adding 6 moles of water here, add the same number of OH minus in opposite side here. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 6 plus 2 8 by OH minus हो जाएगा. तो मैं यहाँ पर लिखता हूँ N2H4 plus 8 OH minus gives rise to 2 moles of NO, 6 moles of water. Now hydrogen is also balanced. Here also let me take the same thing. यहाँ पर 3 हाइड्रोजन हैं, यहाँ पर नहीं है, तो मैं कितना लेता हूँ यहाँ पर? ClO3 3 वाटर लेता हूँ, 3 moles of H2. If I take 3 moles of H2O, यहाँ पर कितना OH माइनस लेना है बेटा मेरे को? अपोजिट साइड कितना OH? 3 OH माइनस लेना है. 3 OH माइनस 3 OH माइनस कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? 6 OH माइनस हो जाएगा. Now all the atoms are balanced except the charges. Now in ion electron method, we are balancing the charges. Lastly, we are balancing the charges. So नाइट्रोजन का कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? 2 नाइट्रोजन है बेटा. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूं मैं N2H4 का. नाइट्रोजन का कितना हो जाएगा? 2 नाइट्रोजन है प्लस 4 हाइड्रोजन, and each hydrogen has what? -1 is equal to 0. Now 2 nitrogen is equal to, sorry, +1 है ना, सॉरी यहाँ पर +1 है ना, 4 हाइड्रोजन +1, तो कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? -4 हो जाएगा. तो 2 नाइट्रोजन का कितना हो जाएगा? -4. तो मैं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर 2 नाइट्रोजन का लिखता हूँ -4, दोनों नाइट्रोजन का -1. और नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड का कैलकुलेट करना है आपको. नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड का यहां पर कर रहा हूं. नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड कितना हो जाएगा? डायरेक्टली +2 हो जाएगा ना, करेक्ट और नॉट? इफ ऑक्सीजन इज -2, नाइट्रोजन विल बी +2. मैं तो +2 लिखता हूं, मगर 2 नाइट्रोजन है ना यहाँ पर, तो कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? +4 हो जाएगा. नाउ -4 कन्वर्टिंग इनटू +4. गेन ऑफ कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बेटा? गेन ऑफ हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? गेन ऑफ हाउ मेनी बेटा? कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो जाएगा? Gaining or losing? Losing. One more thing. Gaining or losing? -4 converting into +4. Gains or loss?
Gain of 8 electrons.
Loss of electron. Loss of electron beta. Minus means excess beta. Plus means deficiency beta. When I write -4, you have excess of 4 electrons. When I write +4 means you have deficiency of 4. प्लस मीन्स डेफिशिएंसी। टोटल कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस हुआ? -4 टू -3, -3 टू -2, -2 टू -1, -1 टू 0, 0 टू +1, 0 टू +2, 0 टू +3, 0 टू +4। टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो जाएगा, लॉस ऑफ 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। ना यहां पर देखेंगे ClO3 में कितना आ जाएगा बेटा? ClO3 में ऑक्सीजन स्टेट ऑफ क्लोरीन में कितना आ जाएगा? ClO3 माइनस में Cl कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं हम 3 इंटू ऑक्सीजन का ऑलवेज व्हाट हैपन -2 बिकॉज इज ऑक्साइड एंड ओवरऑल चार्जेस माइनस हैं, तो यहां पर -1 लिखो। तो क्लोरीन का कितना हो जाएगा? -6 यहां पर कितना हो जाएगा? +5 हो जाएगा, तो +5 लिखो। 1 इज देयर, राइट डाउन +5 बिकॉज ओनली 1 क्लोरीन इज देयर। यहां पर डायरेक्टली दिया Cl माइनस दिया बेटा, तो कितना लिखना है आपको? -1 लिखना है। now +5 कन्वर्टिंग इनटू -1 क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? गेन ऑफ हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बेटा? +5 means deficiency of 5 electrons, -1 means excess of 1 electron. तो +5 converting into +4, +3, +2, +1, 0, -1, टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। यहां पर 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस हो रहे हैं, यहां पर 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन हो रहे हैं, तो इसको कैसे बैलेंस करेंगे हम? 8 और 6 को कैसे बैलेंस करना है बेटा? कैसे हो जाएगा यहां पर?
सर
और
इंटू 3 और इंटू 4
इंटू
करेंगे।
इंटू 3 इंटू 4 करेंगे। तो 8 को हम क्या करेंगे? 24 करेंगे, ठीक है?
3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे।
हाँ 24 करेंगे, 8 इंटू 3 करेंगे तो 24 हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना? इसको क्या करेंगे? 6 इंटू 4 करेंगे, इसमें भी आपको कितना हो जाएगा? 24 हो जाएगा। तो मैं करता हूं ऐसा। तो कितना मल्टीप्लाई करना है आपको? 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो लिखा है यहाँ पर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो यहाँ पर। तो देखो 3 मोल्स ऑफ N2H4 प्लस 8 ऑलरेडी इज देयर, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 3 24 आ जाएगा आपका, 24 OH माइनस gives rise to। नाउ 3 इंटू 2 6 हो जाएगा, 6 NO प्लस यहां पर 6 आए, 6 इंटू 3 18 वाटर, 18 वाटर। नाउ टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस हो गए? 24। सो पुट हियर 24। यहां पर यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 4 नो, इसको आप 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। सो 4 इंटू ClO3 माइनस, नेक्स्ट 4 इंटू 3, 4 इंटू 3 12 वाटर, 12 वाटर gives rise to 4 into Cl minus। now 4 into 3 12 6 है यहाँ पर, 6 OH minus। 4 into 6 24 OH minus। now 24 electrons gain हो रहे हैं यहाँ पर, you are gaining what happened? 24 electrons gaining। now 24 electrons get cancelled, charge is balanced, so it is what? ना पर देखो 24 OH माइनस 24 OH माइनस ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा। हाँ देखो बेटा, ये 12 इधर आए तो कितना हो जाएगा? +12 क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? इधर 12H2O2 come to here, what happened? It becomes -12H2O, right? So -12H2O प्लस 18H2O कितना आ जाएगा आपको? 6H2O, राइट? तो आंसर क्या हो जाए आपका? 3 मोल्स ऑफ N2H4 reacting with 4 moles of ClO3 minus gives rise to 6 moles of NO, 4 moles of Cl minus plus 6 moles of water. This is the balanced chemical equation in the basic medium. This is a balance. Even if you go for oxidation number method also, even if you go for what? Oxidation number method also, the answer will be get same answer. Same answer will be. But the steps are different. In the oxidation number method, first of all, you have to balance this. This is common. Up to here, it is common better. In oxidation number method, whatever it may be, this is first method, first step actually. In second step, you have to do in this second step, what you have to do better? Charge को balance करना है. In oxidation number method में यहाँ पर charge को balance करना है. बाद में सभी को balance करना है. So with this, what happened? have taken many number of in balancing of these chemical reactions. Now, when you, after this class, what happened? Again, I'm saying you practice all these in the notebook itself, all, including what happened, ion electron method and oxidation number method. Practice all these things. In addition to this one, the textbook also they given. Textbook also, questions are given. I mean, in example problem. See, this is the given problem. Solve this one also. Okay, 8.10. This one also you can do, which is given for example, for explanation point of view. You try this one also, and you try this problem also. PR207 S4. So example problems are very, very important to complete all these things. In the next class, we'll start chemical equilibrium beta. In the next class, we'll start chemical equilibrium. Right? So today you complete the redox concept, this balancing of chemical reactions and oxidation numbers calculation. Now, if you have any doubts, you can speak now. So this is only today class. We don't have doubts. You can log out better. Just